So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change language on Google Gemini on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is once you download Google Gemini, go over to your settings and you will find them on here and open them up. Once you've opened settings, you can see at the bottom it will say apps and you will just need to locate Google Gemini on there. And you can see it under the letter G. You can see here it says Gemini, so open that. You can see some options like search, notifications, and you can see preferred language. So right now it's in English, and I can switch that to suggested languages, and you can see some other languages which it's available in, so we can choose something different. So let's choose, for example, Spanish. So if it's clicked on, I will exit, it will say Spanish. So let's quickly go to Google Gemini. And you can see here, it will be in Spanish. Right now it is in Spanish. And you can go ahead and type something in. If you wish to switch it back, you can just go back to settings and revert your decision and go back to the preferred language that it was before. And again, you can check on it here and you can see it will say hello. So before that, it said hola. And right now it's hello. You can see ask, and it's going to give you the option to type right away in the language that you switched off. So it's a quite simple process, just going to your settings and setting it up within the app settings. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Google Gemini or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.